3D models. Limon allows the user to view 3D models of, for example, buildings. When having a point cloud from the area where the model is located, both layers can be matched together. As an example, a 3D model of a building located in Zielona Góra will be used. The point cloud and shape marker showing the place where the building should be located are in System 2000, Zone 5. The 3D model is in local coordinate system. A model can be added by right-clicking on 3D models in the project manager and selecting Add. After selecting the file, it's added to the view. However, there is no correlation between the model and the cloud. To make it easier to fit the model in the right place, the Add Interactive option can be selected. Adding a model in this way allows you to pre-fit it in the right place. However, a model added in such a way it's not fully matched. For example, it can be much larger than the cloud. The Property Inspector can help. It can define the display mode, original, solid color or wireframe, show the axes with which the model fits, and set the solid color. Also, there is information about the bounding box. You can then move the model in 3 planes, change the scale, rotate it also in 3 planes, or turn on or off the visibility in specific views. By changing the scale, you can decrease or extend the model. After selecting the appropriate scale, you can move the cloud in X and Y planes. The more accurate the pre-fitting models, the less work there is at this stage. The model does not fit at height corresponding to the terrain height. To adjust it, work with the Z-plane offset. This allows the model to fit in the right place.